Ka sorkar jelah ni kesengi kelapun ke burom ya prangut ke officer berkinong tray jong ka anti narcotics task force halor ke jingyok kem ya ki drok ha is Giant Hills district ka balakot sya palat sau klur ka badairu ka waini ke jingyok kem ka bahe tam ha ke jelah ha ke jingelang balapan long ha ka office tray kam jong ka ANTF ha golfling menteri ketenat social welfare lo bapa lengdo ula ai ke kusnam da kapisa bat kesernot saki nong tray kum kadak ban ai buram halor ke jing tray system ke jongki ha kini kesengi lai don langru director jaka dreams mission ba Francis Karsieng DIG CID in charge Jubi G Momin baru SP in charge NTF Ugiri Prasad.
Friends, our mission director Dream Francis Karsieng, who has been doing a commendable job as Dream Mission Director, MD, Srimati Jubi Momin, DGP Administration, Mr. Imran PC Momin, Mr. Giri Prasad, who has been leading the ANTF from the front. Our friends from the media fraternity, all the awardees and personnel of ANTF. It is indeed a moment of pride for the ANTF that we are assembling here today. It's barely 7 months since we had the launch of this directorate, the inauguration of this directorate by our Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister in charge home, where I was also present. And since then, ANTF has been growing from strength to strength. In terms of space, we are here in a small room. But when it comes to our mission and our aspirations, they are beyond any capacity to be quantified. And we would like to continue to pursue with that mission more. Because we invest in that young population. If there are repeated, constant attempts to lure them into the traps of drugs and other substances of abuse, I can assure you, having gone through this list of machinery required, that wherever I believe you have items that will be required in your operations as well as in the office, I give you my very clear assurance that all of these will be met immediately with funding from the DREAM project.